Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Allied School YouTube channel. This video is for class 1 subject as mathematics. Dear students, today we will study counting in tens, ascending and descending order, and we will study pages 21, 22 and 23 inshallah. Let's get started our lesson. Counting in tens. Let's read the question. Write the missing numbers and learn the number names. Again read this question. Write the missing numbers and learn the number names. Write the missing numbers and learn the number names. Counting in tens. First we understand what is 10. Okay, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is called 110. Okay, this is called one stack of 10. इसको हम क्या कहते हैं? One stack of 10. 10 का एक stack है ये, ठीक है? Okay, it is called a stack of 110. Let's see. One stack of 10. It is called one stack of 10. And we write 10 here. 10 means 10. Okay, 10 means 10. Read this number 10. And how we write this number in number name? Tell me, what's the spelling of 10? T-E-N, 10. Right here, T-E-N, 10. Okay, now let's see the next one. One stack of 10 and then two stacks of 10. Yes, one stack of 10. आप मेरे साथ रिपीट करें, ये क्या है? वन स्टैक ऑफ 10 है. ये टू स्टैक्स ऑफ दोनों मिलाकर टू स्टैक ऑफ 10 है. तो नाउ वी हैव टू स्टैक ऑफ 10. अब हमारे पास कितने स्टैक ऑफ 10 है? 2. तो राइट हियर टू स्टैक ऑफ 10. रीड दिस वन, टू स्टैक ऑफ 10. ओके, टू स्टैक ऑफ 10 मीन्स 20. जब टू स्टैक की बात करेंगे जो टेंस के होंगे तो हम उसे 20 कहेंगे, क्योंकि ये जब कंबाइन करेंगे, हम मिलाएंगे तो 1 10 है और ये 2 10 हैं. तो 2 10 इक्वल्स टू 20. 2 10 मीन्स 20. 20. राइट हेयर 20. ओके, एंड व्हाट इज 20 इन नंबर नेम? टेल मी. 20. डू यू नो द स्पेलिंग ऑफ 20? टेल मी. TWENTY. Repeat after me. TWENTY, 20. Right here, 20. Okay, now comes to next one. One stack of 10, two stacks of 10 and three stack of 10. Now there are three stack of 10. 110, 210 and then 310. Okay, 3 tens mean 30. 30. 3 tens mean 30. Okay, let's see. 3 stack of 10. 3 stack of 10 means 30. And you know how we write 30? 30. 30. Okay, and how we write 30 in number name? Means 30. What's the spelling of 30? THIRTY. Repeat after me. THIRTY. Right here, THIRTY. Okay, now see the next one. One stack of 10, two stack of 10, three stack of 10 and four stack of 10. 4 stack of 10 means 10, 20, 30 and 40. 4 stack of 10 means 40. 40 means 40. Now write 4 stack of 10. 4 stack of 10 means 40. Right here, right in this box, 40. 40. Okay, 40. Read this number, 40. And what's the spelling of 40? FORTY. What's the spelling of 40? FORTY. Right here, FORTY, 40. Now see the next one. One stack of 10, two stack of 10, three stack of 10, four stack of 10 and 5 stack of 10. Now there are 5 stack of 10. Okay, 110, 2 tens, 3 tens, 4 tens and 5 tens. And you know 5 tens means 50. 5 tens equals to 50. 50. Now write 5 stack of 10. Now how we write 5 tens in numbers? We write like this: 50, 50. Okay, 50 means 5 tens. Okay, and what's the spelling of 50? F-I-F-T-Y. Repeat after me: F-I-F 50 T-Y-T. Right here 50. Okay, now see the next one: 1 stack of 10, 2 stack of 10, 3 stack of 10, 4 stack of 10, 5 stack of 10, 6 stack of 10. Okay, now right here 6 stack of 10. Look at here: 1 10, 2 tens, 3 tens, 4 tens, 5 tens, 6 tens. 6 tens means 60. 6 tens means 60, 60. Now write the number here: 60, 60. Okay, and what's the spelling of 60? Do you know? S-I-X 6 T-Y-T 60. S-I-X-T-Y 60. Right here 60. Then see the next one: 1 stack of 10, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7 tens. Now you have 7 stack of 10. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now write 7 stack of 10. 7 stack of 10 means 70, 70. Right here 70. Okay, now read this number: 70, 70. How do we write 70 in number name? Yes, you are right. 7. Write the spelling of 7: S-E-V-E-N 7. Then add T-Y-T 70. Okay, S-E-V-E-N-T-Y 70. Now see the next one: 1, 2, 2 stack of 10, 3 stack of 10, 4 stack of 10, 5 stack of 10, 6 stack of 10, 7 stack of 10, 8 stack of 10. Now you have 8 stack of 10, and you know 8 stack of 10 means 8 tens, and 8 tens, you know, 80. 8 tens is called 80. Now right here 8 stack of 10, and 8 stack of 10 means 80. 80 means 80. How we write 18 number? Repeat after me: 80. Like this: 80. Do you know the spelling of 8? Tell me. E-I-G-H-T. Say this word: 8. E-I-G-H-T, 8. And then add Y, it becomes 80. E-I-G-H-T-Y, 80. Okay, now see the last one: 1 stack of 10, 2 stack of 10, 3 stack of 10, 4 stack of 10, 5 stack of 10, 6 stack of 10, 7 stack of 10, 8 stack of 10, 9 stack of 10. Now you have 9 stack of 10. And do you know 9 stack of 10 means you have 9 tens? Yes, now you have 9 tens, and 9 tens, you know, 90. Repeat after me: 9 tens equals to 90. And you know what is 90? 90 means 90. Right here 9 stack of 10. And how we write 9 stack of 10 in number? Okay, 90, like this. Yes, 90. 90. Read this number: 90. There are 9 tens in 90. Okay, 90. And how we write 90 in number name? First you write 90, N-I-N-E. First you write 9, N-I-N-E, 9. Then add T-Y, it becomes 90. Okay, it becomes 90, like this: N-I-N-E-T-Y, 90. Okay, now ascending order. Do you know what is ascending order? Look at this picture. Oh, what is the girl doing? She is smiling, and you know, this is a ladder, and she is going up. Okay, she is going up. She is ascending. You know what's the meaning of ascend? Ascend means go up. Ascend means go up from bottom to top. Okay, you know numbers are said to be in ascending order when they are arranged from the smallest to the largest number. From the smallest to the लार्जेस्ट नंबर। जब भी नंबर्स को असेंडिंग ऑर्डर में हम अरेंज करते हैं तो हम सबसे पहले स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर से लार्जेस्ट नंबर की तरफ जाते हैं। लुक एट हियर, शी इज गोइंग अप। Here's 10. Then what comes? 20. Here it is called ascending order. 10 के बाद 20 आएगा. After 20 what comes? 30. क्योंकि हम ascending order tens की सीख रहे हैं. Okay? 10, 20, 30. Then after 30 what comes? 40. Yes. After 40 50. After 50 60. Then 70. Then 80. Then 90. Yes. This is called ascending order of tens. Now you have to solve the question number 2. Count in tens and write in ascending order. Count in tens and write in ascending order. Look at here, 10, then 20, then what comes after 20? 30. Yes, counting in tens. You have to count in tens. 10, 20, 30. Yes. Then after 30 what comes? 40. You are right, 40. Then 50. Then 60. Then 70. Then 80. Then 90. This is called ascending order in tens. Okay. Now what is descending order? When you go down, it means you descend. There are the steps. You know numbers are said to be in descending order when they are arranged from the largest to the smallest number. Okay, from the largest to the smallest number. हम descending order में सबसे पहले largest number से smallest number की तरफ जाते हैं. तो descending order में देखिए अब आप down जाएंगे आप, you go down, you descend. Okay, now 90, what 10 comes before 90? Tell me. Yes, 80. 80. Yes. What 10 comes before 80? 70. अब आप क्या कर रहे हैं? डिसेंड कर रहे हैं, डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर में जा रहे हैं. 90 के बाद आपने 80 का, 80 के बाद 70 कहेंगे, 70 के बाद आप 60 कहेंगे, देन 60. What 10 comes before 60? 50. Yes. What 10 comes before 50? 40. Yes. What 10 comes before 40? 30. Okay. What 10 comes before 30? 20. Yes. And what 10 comes before 20? 10. Yes, you are right. This is called descending order. Okay. 90, 80, 70, 60, 50, 40, 30, 20 and 10. Now attempt the question. Question number 3. Count in tens and write in descending order. Okay. Count in tens and write in descending order. Here you have to write the descending order. Okay. Before 90 what comes? 80. And before 80 what 10 comes? 70. Yes, you write 70. Then the smaller number is 60. Then the smaller one 50. Then which 10 is smaller than 50? 40. Now which 10 is smaller than 40? 30. Yes. Now which 10 is smaller than 30? 20. Okay. 20. Then what? 10. Yes. This is called descending order. 90, 80, 70, 60, 50, 40, 30, 20, 10. Okay. Now which is greater? Which is smaller? Okay. Write in the empty boxes. आपने क्या बताना है कि कौन सा ग्रेटर है और कौन सा स्मॉलर है, फिर एम्प्टी बॉक्सेस में आप उसको लिखेंगे. ओके. नाउ one has been done for you. 40. Here you can see 40 and here you can see 60. Which one is smaller? Tell me. 40 is smaller than 60. 40 क्या होता है? 60 से छोटा होता है, स्मॉलर होता है. तो हम क्या लिखेंगे? 40 is smaller than 60. ग्रेटर तो नहीं लिख सकते क्योंकि 40 ग्रेटर नहीं है, 40 पहले आता है और 60 बाद में आता है. तो हम कहेंगे 40 is smaller than 60. Now ये है नंबर लाइन. This is number line in tens. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. अब देखिए आप यहाँ पे B पार्ट दिया हुआ है. 10 is dash then 20. 10 comes first then 20. अब जो पहले आएगा वो क्या होगा? स्मॉलर होगा. और ये होगा इससे लार्जर होगा, तो हम कहेंगे 10 इज़, ये पहले है तो 10 इज़ स्मॉलर देन 20, क्योंकि 20 बाद में है, आफ्टर 10 है, तो हम कहेंगे 10 इज़ स्मॉलर देन 20. राइट हियर इज स्मॉलर, SMALLER. Memorize this spelling, SMALLER. Now C part, 50 is dash then 40. Now where is 50? Yes, this is 50 and 40. It means 50 is greater than 40, क्योंकि 50 बाद में है, ये ग्रेटर है, और 40 इससे पहले है, तो ये स्मॉलर नंबर है. जो बाद में नंबर आएंगे वो हमारे पास लार्जेस्ट नंबर होंगे, लार्जर होंगे, और जो उससे पहले होंगे वो स्मॉलर नंबर होंगे. तो ये 50 is greater than 40. 50 is greater than 40. You write greater here. GREATER. Greater. Okay. Now D part. 80 is dash than 30. Where is 80? This is 80. And where is 30? Oh, this one is 30. It means 80 is greater. 80 is greater than 30, because 80 comes after 30. Okay. So you write here 80 is greater than 30. Okay. Now E part, 70 is dash than 50. Now find out the 70. This is 70 and this is 50. It means which one is greater? 70 is greater, because 70 comes after 50. Okay, 70 is greater than 50. Right here greater. Now F part, 90 is dash than 70. Where is 90? This is 90. Okay, and this is 70. Which one is greater, 90 or 70? Yes, you are right. 90 is greater because it comes after 70. 90 greater है क्योंकि वो 70 के बाद आ रहा है, आगे है वो, तो हम 90 को, 90 हमारे पास ग्रेटर नंबर है 70 से, तो राइट हेयर 90 इज ग्रेटर देन 70. Now G part, 20 is dash then 40. Where is 20? This one is 20 and this is 40. Oh, now 20 is smaller than 40 because 20 comes before 40. Right here 20 is smaller than 40. SMALLER, smaller. Then the last one, H part, 60 is dash than 70. This is 60 and this is 70. Now you can see here 60 is smaller than 70 because 60 comes before 70. Right here 60 is smaller than 70. Right here is smaller, SMALLER. Now moves the next question. What number does the abacus show? Read this question. What number does the abacus show? Write in the box. Yes, one has been done for you. This is 10 rod and this is 1's rod. Okay, this is 1's rod and this is 10's rod, and you know there are no ones in one rod. वन रॉड में कोई भी वंस नहीं है. अगर वंस होता तो यहाँ बीड लगे होते हैं, यहाँ पे बीड कोई नहीं है. यहाँ पे आप बीड्स देख सकते हैं 1 2 3 हैं, तो आप कहेंगे कि देयर आर 3 टेंस. ओके, इट मीन्स 3 टेंस मीन्स 30, 30. ओके, अब बी पार्ट देखें आप, यहाँ आपके पास टेंस में देखें बहुत सारे बीट्स हैं, इसको काउंट कर लें. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, 7 टेंस हैं. 7 टेंस मीन्स 70. यू राइट हेयर 70. Right here 70. Now let's see this C part. Oh, now you have only one bead. It mean you have only 110, and 110 means 10 10. Okay, right here 10 10. Now the next one, draw beads on the abacus to show the numbers. Okay, read this question again. Draw beads on the abacus to show the numbers. Draw beads on the abacus to show the numbers and then write in the box. Then आपने box में write करना है. अब आप देखें यहाँ पे 1 has been done for you. Tens देखें 1 2 3 4 हैं. 4 टेंस मीन्स 40, 40, 4 टेंस मीन्स 40, 40। अब आपने यहाँ नंबर में लिखा है 40, यहाँ आपने नंबर नेम में लिखा है 40, FORTY 40। नाउ लेट्स सी द बी पार्ट। ओ, अब आपको बीट्स बनाने हैं। रीड करें इसको, ट्राई टू रीड दिस नंबर नेम। व्हाट इज दिस? 20। रीड दिस नंबर 20। 20 मीन्स 2 टेंस बनाएंगे, यानी कि 2 बीट्स यहाँ पे आप ड्रॉ करेंगे। 1 एंड देन 2, उस पर कलर भी कर दीजिएगा आप ड्रॉ करने के बाद। 20 का मतलब है यू हैव 2 बीट्स। ओके, आपने टेंस रॉड पर 2 बीट्स को ड्रॉ करना है। राइट हेयर 20, तो आप बीट्स बनाएंगे, देन यहाँ उसको नंबर में शो करेंगे। नाउ लुक एट सी पार्ट। नाउ read first this number 60. Read this number 60. 60, 60 means you have to draw 6 tens like this: 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, 6 beats, 6 tens means 60. Right here 60 like this. 60 means 60. Now look at D part. 50. Now read this word 50. 50, 50 means you have to draw 5 beads on the tens rod like this: 1 2 3 4 5. Now you have 5 tens, and 5 tens, 50, 50. Now right here 50. Okay, now E part. Read this number 70. Read this number 70. 70. And 70 means 7 tens. How many tens? 7 tens. 70 means 7 tens. Now you have to draw 7 beads on the tens rod. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, now you have 7 tens, and 7 tens means 70, 70. Right here 70. यहाँ पे आपका लेसन जो है कंप्लीट हुआ। आपने तमाम चीज़ों को अच्छी तरह से समझ लिया है। अब आपने अपनी बुक पे इसको सॉल्व करना है। तो आपको आपका होमवर्क बता देते हैं हम। योर होमवर्क: कंप्लीट द पेजेस 21, 22 एंड 23 इन योर बुक। अपनी बुक में ये आपने 21, 22 एंड 23 को पेजेस को सॉल्व करना है। कहीं भी कोई मसला हो, परेशानी हो, अपने पेरेंट्स से पूछ लें, अपने बड़े भाई बहनों से पूछ लें, समझ कर करें और ख़ुद से करें। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो। जज़ाकल्लाह।